Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about how you can convert your speech into text. Okay, and that text will count as a parameter to place orders. Okay, so we'll start with some of the installation. Okay, so some of the pip installation we will try to carry out. Okay, so we require two things: speech recognition and pi audio. Okay, so you can follow this syntax for installation, which will be pip install speech recognition. Okay, so these things you can try. Okay, and this should be there. So speech recognition, and second will be pi audio. Okay, so this you need to do. Okay, and pi audio is required. Okay, so these two things are required. If you try to run and try to read some of the audio files, you will get an error. So these two things is required. Okay, and we will gonna utilize a microphone or speaker or in front of my laptop. If I run this program, it will recognize my speech, okay, what I'm trying to say, and it will convert them in a text. Okay, so we will follow certain 2-3 lines of code and we will print the text. Okay, so we will try to take a parameter, and this can be automated further to create an application where you can take audio as a command of your parameter and syntax. Okay, and it can be run in between the from trading hours. Okay, and that can be utilized as a command and can be taken as a syntax for parameters, and you can utilize this stuff as your requirement for any purpose. Okay, as you see. So first of all, we'll go with import, which will be speech underscore recognition, okay, as SR. Okay, and the syntax should be correct. So if I say okay, so this should be accurate. So if you have no error, means you have been imported perfectly. And the next what we're gonna say is as an R equals SR dot recognizer. Okay, so these are the syntax which you need to follow. Okay, and the second one we will gonna utilize microphone. So what we have to say is mic equals SR dot M should be capital and microphone. Okay, so this should be there, and we will gonna loop. So we'll say with mic as source, and we need an audio that should be listen. So we'll say r dot listen as a source. Okay, so I will run this stuff and I will recognize Reliance B1. So this is my parameters. So if I think the file has been stored, okay, and now what happens, I need to recognize, so it will be r dot recognize, okay, Google, and the audio should be recognized. So if I recognize, as we see, we got in text. Okay, so I will store this in a text as in a text folder, or take as a print text. Okay, and convert them as a parameter to place orders, and further stuff I can utilize to automate the stuff. Okay, so all of the things I think I'm gonna do it in my further videos. So I must say that you should follow and you have that installation. Okay, especially I can can save it in a .wav file that I think the speech recognition will be listened to it, and I can automate the stuff. Okay, and we can prepare an application, and other things are also there, as I think further languages are there where you can take it as in Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu. Okay, so multilingual will be there, and that you can like have in your mother tongue and can automate the stuff. So all of the things which is you feel like I can have this stuff that fit in my requirements. So I must say that you try this stuff. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.